CZ-TS2 assembling, disassembling DPM recoil reduction system. So first of all we have to remove the factory plug. We install the DPM spring plug. It's with more wide hole here, so we don't have issues. The factory usually it's more tight and create a friction, so we replace with a DPM spring plug that we offer it in the packet. We choose one of the spacers here. We select one of the springs and we install the recoil system, and we try to make it to stay exactly with the pin like it is. Okay, now we assemble totally the pistol. And we are ready. Now we have to remove again with an easy way. So here we have to push a little bit back the recoil rod and to press front, and the recoil system just jump out. From here we press a little bit back, we push up and coming out. DPM for TS2 runs.